Hello everyone, coming back to Python programming. Now we are going to discuss functions. What is a function actually? The function is nothing but a one block of statements. Function is nothing but a block of statements that returns any task. The benefits of functions are reusability as well as readability. Yeah, syntax is def function name followed by parameters and followed by colon and give some space and give us some statements. After this we can call the function, writing the complete function. Now we need to execute that function, so just function name with the specified parameters, that's it. So this way we can use the functions. So this is about a functions actually, how we can utilize these functions actually. So here this part is called how the function is creating. This part is called how the function is calling. This is a calling function and this is a creating function. So this is a creating part of the function, this is a calling part of the function. Now we can take an example. Let us say def some task colon some statements. Let us say print statement. The print some task completed and here call the function task. So this way we can call the function. The output of this will be comes like this. Output is task complete. So this way we can execute the function. So suppose let us say some addition operation. So how we can write example 2, okay, def some operation of a comma b colon. The statement is print a plus b and sum comma 2 comma 3. So this shows output will be 5. So like this. So this function already written, right? This function is already written. Now how many times we can call and we can pass some parameters, so we'll get the output. So this is about a functions actually. And sometimes we can use a return statement also. So we can write like this. Instead of this one, some people are writing like this. Some example 3. C def sum a comma b. Yeah, return return a plus b and print. So like this. So this also the we can write actually. So if you use a return statement, the print we have to call the and print statement you have to use like this. So this way we can get the we can work with the functions. some important things related to the functions are, in the functions, very important thing we need to discuss are parameters. So here a comma b are the parameters actually. So suppose and now here once coming while discussing about these parameters, so we don't know the sometimes two parameters are there. Sometimes we need to pass three parameters. Then how we can do? Let us say someone write like this: print sum 2 comma 3 comma 5. So what is the output? Definitely it is a error. So we need to uh, control the parameters. So parameters are, we need to, yeah, now the parameters are very important. Now how the parameters are there? There are two different ways of passing the parameters. Yeah, there are two types of parameters actually. Yeah, the first one is star args. Second one is star star args. Or we can call it as kw args. These args are called non-keyword arguments, whereas this one is keyword arguments. When we have to use these parameters of star args and kw star args is we don't know, whenever we don't know how many parameters we are passing. So at the time it is very useful. And coming to this one exactly. So when these args are used is generally these args are used in the case. Now how these args are received actually? So these args are received as a tuple, whereas here args are received as a dictionary. Let us take an example. Some def function1. Function1 is the name of the function. Star args comma star star kw args. Now we can write the statement: print args equal to or comma args, print kw args equal to kw args. Now, so I am calling the function one of some, yeah, we can call it anything like a comma b comma c comma 1. So we can pass how many are not. Okay. Now let us say how we can pass the kw args. Just simply we can write first one or first equal to a comma second equal to b. Now what is the output here? The output where directly, if you execute this calling function, we will get the output as directly args equal to, in form of the tuple we'll get, like get a comma b comma c. and whereas and kw args will get is equal to in the form of the dictionary like this, first colon, that is a. Let us take differentiate. I'll make differentiate. Let us say um, d e will get a comma second colon e. This is the way we are getting the output. So now we'll do the ands on. Yeah, task is completed like this. So we can execute. So this is the execution of the, this is the calling function with the definition of this function. So like this we can do the all type of functions. Now we'll try to execute this function. Copy. Here we can write sum is equal to, so the sum is equal to 5. So and we can try to execute another one. Yeah, with the return statement, if you write take the, just change the parameters like 5 comma 6. Now we'll try to execute. Yeah, this is value. So like this we can execute. So if you use a return statement, the print statement has to be done in the main function. We can calling function or the main function. This is the main function. This is the main function actually, and this is the definition of the function. So like this, this definition can be used any how many number of times you want. How that many times we can call. Yeah. Now this is about executing the functions. Now try to understand this one so that you can understand both the args and keyword args, both args and keyword args. See, and the function must be C. line number 16, there is a definition we are expecting. Yes, we need give the colon. Actually the colon is very important. Okay, now try to execute it. Line number 20, we need second. What is second here is, so here we need to give like this. Okay, no need of second. Yeah, second is equal to e. That's it. No need of giving anything. Yeah, save it. Yeah, see, args is equal to abc1 with the keyword args are first colon d comma second colon e. The first one is a tuple, second one is a dictionary. So this way you can understand. So what is this args and what is the keyword args? The both there are two types of args are there. The args and keyword args. This args are why, because this star args means we don't know how many parameters we are passing at a time. We can directly we can use star args, and where the this keyword args are for a uh, passing the dictionary type of parameters. So I think hope you understand all these fundamentals. Yeah, thank you.